Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Don't be jealous of my shirt. I got it in Memphis a few years ago when I went to visit the king. So today in the shop, I'm going to show you a trick for getting multiple layers of your laser or CNC engraving or cutting. We're actually making a thick wheel. This is 1/4 inch plywood, so I'm putting two of these together. What I like to do is use an indexing pin, also known as a dowel or dowel rod. These are 3/8 inch holes. Let me show you what we're gonna do. Let's switch this angle. So I've already labeled the parts. These just fit right on top of each other. And we're gonna put a dowel. It's a 3/8 inch dowel and it fits right in there and it aligns the parts perfectly. So let's get some glue, make this happen. So here is how the wagon wheels turned out. They're going to be painted, so they may fill the hole. I have two, this is a red oak 1/4 inch plywood, and this is some Baltic birch 1/4 inch plywood. This is what I had left over for scrap, and I had to buy a new sheet for this. So pretty cool. These are 23 inch in diameter. I'll include a link in the description for my Etsy shop if you want the plans. They're going to be used for a cart at church. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.